Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how I make my quick and easy taquitos ahogados. So if you want to learn how I make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alright guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. Okay, we're going to begin by making our salsa. To our saucepan, we're going to add 10 tomatillos, 1 Roma tomato, 1 jalapeño, 2 chiles serranos, and chile de árbol. Depending on how spicy you want it, it depends on how much you're going to add. We're going to cover them with water, set it on high heat, and bring it to a full boil. Once done, transfer it all to the blender cup. Okay, so now we can get ready to blend. To our blender, we're also going to add 2 garlic cloves, a handful of cilantro, 2 teaspoons of chicken bouillon, salt to taste, and we're going to be blending with 1 cup of water. Now blend until smooth. Okay, so once we have our salsa, we can take it back to the stove. Okay, to the same saucepan that we used to boil our chiles and tomatoes, we're going to make sure to dry it, set it over medium-low heat, add a little bit of oil, and allow it to heat up. Once the oil is nice and hot, we're going to add 1/4 of an onion. Make sure to small dice it. Just going to cook it for a couple minutes. After a couple minutes, add the salsa. Just going to add a little bit more water to my blender cup. And now we're just going to bring it to a simmer. Once our salsa comes to a full simmer, taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. For me, this is perfect. So now we're just going to set it to the side so we can make our taquitos. Okay, so we're going to begin by warming up our corn tortillas. I'm using the comal, but of course you can always do this step in the microwave. So once they're nice and warm, we're going to remove them. Okay, so here I already have my rotisserie chicken all nice and shredded. Just going to place it on the edge of the tortilla, along with queso panela and some rajas. Now just roll it and get ready to fry it. Okay, and here I'm just going to heat up my oil over medium heat. And you just want to add enough oil to cover the bottom of the taquito. Once the oil is nice and hot, we're going to place our taquitos in, steam down, and just allow them to get nice and golden. Okay, once the taquitos are nice and golden all around, we're going to remove them from the oil, drain as much oil as possible, and just repeat the process with the rest of the taquitos. Okay, so once we have all of our taquitos dorados, now we can get ready for the fun part. Okay, so here I already have my taquitos. Going to be adding my salsa verde. Going to be serving with some lettuce. Add some crema mexicana. My avocado salsa. Adding some pico de gallo. And of course some queso fresco. And just like that, we can get ready to enjoy our delicious taquitos ahogados. Alright guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super quick and easy, and best part, very delicious. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Now of course you want to enjoy your taquitos, you know, as soon as you serve them, so like that they don't get all soggy, but I am so ready. Hope you give them a try. Cheers and enjoy. So simple, but so delicious. The salsa is a cherry on top. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I make my super easy and delicious taquitos ahogados. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.